Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Alice Experiment. In this video I show you to make 12 volt DC power supply. Its size is very compact and it is very easy to make. So friends, enjoy the video. Friends, I use MDF board to make the box. You can use plastic sheet to make it, and I use Fevicol to paste. You can use any type of glue. Friends, you can make the box according to your own size, and also you can give the different design. Friends, if you want to watch my other video, then all the video link in description, or you can watch from my channel. Friends, finally the box is ready to use, and I put hot glue from inside to make it strong. Friends, the main component is the circuit board. It needs 220 volt AC and it converts 220 volt AC into 12 volt DC. Friends, these 2 points are for input connection and these 2 are for output, positive and negative. Friends, here you can see I have 2 circuit board, and these both are taken from this emergency light, but we don't need this one. We need the circuit board, and it is properly fit in the box. Friends, after that we need copper wire with jack for input, and again small pieces of wire for output without jack, and make a mark to make the hole for the wire. I use scissor for making the hole. If you have drill machine, then you can use it. Friends, now take a wire and insert into the box properly. Friends, if you have any question related to this video or anything, then you can comment on this video, and also you can DM me on Instagram. Connect one wire in one point of AC and another wire in another point by the help of soldering iron. AC is already printed on the circuit board by the company. I hope you don't have any problem in the connection. Friends, input connection is finished, and now output connection. This connection is also very easy. GND and VCC is printed on the circuit board. Please connect the wire properly and carefully. Friends, now our all connection is completed. I use fiber sleeve and reversible tape to protect from any type of short circuit. Friends, if you are new in our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and keep the bell icon at all for our latest video notification. And who have already subscribed our channel, thanks to all of them. Friends, now take the black and red wire on the end and take out both wire from the hole. Friends, our all work has completed. You can see it is very compact in size, and I give 220 volt AC to it, and I use multimeter to checking the voltage. Friends, you can see the voltage on multimeter. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you have any idea, then you can suggest me. I will try to make the video on the topic. Friends, for testing I have 12 volt LED light. I hope it is working properly from this power supply. So friends, without wasting any time, let's test it. Wow friends, it is working properly, and its brightness is also very high. I think you can see properly because the camera is not captured properly. Okay friends, thanks for watching. I will see you with next video. Till then, goodbye.